You know, when I see this brutality that humans commit against animals, I feel so sad, helpless, and hopeless. But in reality, we are not helpless against these crimes that are being committed by these huge industries. We have a voice and we can vote with our wallets. If humans stop buying the dead flesh of these poor, tortured, and brutalized animals and animal products, there would be no more industries that would be producing animal flesh and animal products. So you have to stop buying meat and dairy and eggs and fish, anything that comes from an animal, because as long as humans buy, animals will die. When I look at mama chickens, for example, I find these hens to be very elegant ladies, and they are so nice and so protective of their little chicks, of their little children. They put their wings around them and they protect them from predators and from the weather, and give them warmth when they need it. And that is how it is supposed to be. Animals have instincts like humans do toward their children. But what have we done as humans? We have basically taken all their dignity away and we turned them into egg-producing machines. Yes, that's what they are, egg-producing machines. And why are you eating eggs? Why is anybody eating eggs? We don't need eggs for anything. It is actually a very high cholesterol food that is not good for your veins. It's not good for your heart. It's not good for your health. So stop eating the eggs. Stop eating chickens. And we take their male children away and we put them live into a grinder. Did you know that? The male chickens, they're being taken and they're being put into a live grinder, and then from there they're being probably fed to cows, or I don't know what evil product they make out of it, but obviously it's not just going to get thrown away. They're using it in some manner. And the other thing is the female chickens, they have either two fates. One of them, they're either going to be egg machines, or they're going to be used as broiler chickens, and they're pumping them with so many antibiotics and chemicals to make them really, really fat. They are so fat and so sick, and they have tumors and cancers. They can't stand on their own 2 feet anymore. We have completely taken every bit of dignity from these beautiful animals, and not just the chickens. The same goes for cows and pigs and lambs and sheep and the animals that we're using for product testing, and animals that we're using for clothing like mink coats or leather purses, leather shoes, leather coats. We don't need that crap. Why are we buying that stuff? Have you ever been to a leather making building? I know of a friend of mine. She's been there, and she said the stench was unbelievable. They couldn't even stay in there for 5 minutes because it stunk so bad. And that's because it's rotting flesh. It's wrong. It is so wrong. It comes from the devil. So use your wallet to vote against these heinous crimes and these heinous and practically demonic cruelties and tortures against animals. I beg you.